In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from FigJam. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser and go to figma.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, head to your workspace home. To open the board you want to export, either click the FigJam section to browse your files, or simply pick the FigJam file from your recent items. That will load your whiteboard in the editor so you're ready to export. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the main menu, which is the Figma logo, or the drop-down next to the file name to reveal more options. From there, go to File and then choose Export As. This opens the Export Options panel where you'll decide exactly how your board should be saved out. Start by choosing a file type. PNG is a solid, high-quality choice for most images and supports transparency if you don't want a background. JPG creates a smaller file size and is great for quick sharing, but it won't keep transparency. PDF is ideal if you want a clean document for printing, presenting, or sending as a single file that preserves crisp text and shapes. If you need to keep vector information for editing elsewhere, SVG can work, though it's best suited for more technical use, and not every tool handles it the same way. Now set the background. If you want to overlay your export onto other designs without a solid backdrop, pick a transparent background. If you prefer a standard look for sharing or printing, choose a solid background, typically white. Remember, the checkerboard you might see in a preview simply indicates transparency and won't show in the final export. Choose the export area to control how much of the board is included. Entire file captures everything on the canvas and is great for archiving or sending a full snapshot. Current view exports exactly what you're looking at on screen, which is handy for quick snapshots. Selection focuses only on specific items you've selected. If you plan to use this, make sure those elements are selected before you export so you get precisely what you need. When your file type, background, and export area are set, click Export. Your browser will download the file to your default downloads location or prompt you to choose where to save it. Open the exported file to confirm it looks the way you expect. That's all there is to it. You've just exported from FigJam quickly and cleanly with the right format, background, and scope for your needs.